Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to check for internet connection before or after you make an API request. So here I have some example where we have an endpoint with URL. We use LMFire to make a request. This is a GET request, and here we switch on the response result. If it's success, we print that we have a successful request, and if it's a failure, we print that some error happened. And what I do in these situations is I create a structure connectivity which has a static let variable shared instance, and here we will use network reachability manager in order to find this class. We need to import LMFire dependency. After that we can add again static where is connected, this is a variable of type boolean, and when someone wants to know this state, we check for the connection self shared instance is reachable, and then we return whether the device is connected or not. So that's all you need to do in order to get Boolean value of connection of your device. So here we have some API request, and what I usually do in these situations is to go to case failure, and here I check here we use this shared variable is connected to internet, and I check if the device is not connected to the internet. In that situation, I usually write a toast message to user that there is some problem with network and something about that. And if it's user connected to the network, then we can print some other error or something else. Okay, now we can test this case on some emulator. As you can see here, now we have error happened. That's because this URL simply doesn't exist. But what we can do is turn off Wi-Fi of my MacBook, and then the emulator also does not have a network. We can run the application again, and this time we will get network error, and that's the whole solution. That's everything you need to do in order to get the connectivity of your device. Thank you very much. Bye bye.